Now I'll be showing you how to add background music into your Sony Vegas 17 or 18 project. So I am going to grab some background music. I have some copyright free ones. So I have some hype background music right here, and I can just drag and drop it into an audio. Now most of the time you won't have another audio tab down here, so what you want to do, let's say these don't exist. Let's say these don't exist. You can right click, insert audio track. Easy peasy. You can also just drag and drop it down here and it'll add an audio track on its own. You can also change the color over here of the audio track to make it better fit for your needs. And now you can play over this and you can hear the music. So that is how you add background music to your project in Sony Vegas 17 or 18.